region at 20:36 Indian Standard Time. That is in another 5 minutes time. I am setting up this live stream because this is the primary live stream showing the radio as well as picking up the audio. There will be a secondary live stream which will show satellite tracking software G-Predict as well as n2yo.com screenshot which will show the direction of the path in this region. So these three have to be in a secondary stream. That's why I am setting up this stream a bit earlier so that I can set up the secondary stream with more details. So I am moving to that. We'll be waiting for another 4 minutes more. The squelch of the radio has been kept open. That's why the hissing noise is there. And uplink frequency you can see here. This is 145.990 uplink frequency. That's the frequency on which I will be transmitting. If I am hearing anybody, I will be calling. Otherwise, I will not be calling. And this is the downlink frequency. 437.800 is the downlink. But I have kept 10 kilohertz higher as the Doppler shift at the beginning of the pass. 2 to 3 minutes into the pass, I will reduce it 5 kilohertz, and every 2 to 3 minutes 5 kilohertz like that to track the Doppler. Antenna has been kept in the direction, but it will not be rotated because it's on the terrace. I will not be able to rotate it, and I do not have antenna rotator. It's a fixed azimuth elevation Moxon Yagi, hybrid Yagi. So I am moving to set up the secondary stream. I am going to do that now. I am setting up the profile picture of this primary stream so that those who see the stream will see the Moxon Yagi picture. And after that, I will be setting the secondary stream. Primary stream is live. And moving to the secondary stream. This primary stream will be brought into part of the secondary stream so that you will be able to see. Oh, there is a feedback coming. I'll have to cut the audio with the computer. Now I am setting up the secondary stream. Secondary stream is going live. I will be monitoring only the secondary stream. So in case you are typing in any comments, please do it on the secondary stream with pictures showing I will point it out in the secondary stream. This is the polar map of the G-Predict software. And you can see that the satellite is due in 28 seconds. This the range, slant range is 2,500 kilometers. So let me check whether the stream is going out. Yes, the stream is there. I am labeling it as secondary stream. Profile picture, thumbnail of both streams will be same, but when you see the stream, that will be different. Now the secondary stream is also live. And you can see that the satellite has already come above the horizon. I'll point in the G-Predict window. This red icon labeled as ISS is the satellite coming above the horizon. And that is the polar map, and you can see that the slant range is now 1700, and you can see the Doppler shift lower down. If I move this, you can see that Doppler shift required is nearly 2000 Hertz per 100 megahertz. It means for 437 it will be around nearly 10. That's why I have put it like that. I don't know. Satellite signal. I'm increasing the audio a bit. When satellite signals are being acquired, what happens is that the hissing noise will decrease. I think there are a few viewers on the primary stream, but not there on the secondary stream. In a primary stream, you will be able to hear the signals, but won't be able to see the description of the satellite pass. All those things will be there only in the secondary stream. I have not heard anything so far. It is 3 minutes into the pass. I think I'll have to bring down the Doppler a bit. I have reduced the frequency 5 kilohertz. I am hearing something, but not. You should be lucky to have other operators, otherwise you will not hear enough station. I heard VU3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta. VU2 GRM, VU2 Juliet Oscar.
Good evening, Dr. 59.
Thank you, Ram. 73. Congratulations back on ISS. VU3 YFT, VU2 JO 5 and 9.
Papa Echo Papa, V2 Lima Bravo Whiskey 5 and 930. Charlie Romeo Sierra Leader, VU3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta. Picture Uniform 3 Romeo Foxtrot number.
VU3 RFN, VU2 JO 5 and 9.
VU2 Juliet Oscar, V3 Romeo Foxtrot number 5 and 9.
Thank you.
V3 Romeo Foxtrot number, V3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta 5/9. V3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta, V3 Romeo Foxtrot number 5/9. V3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta, V3 Romeo Foxtrot number 5/9. V3 RFN, V3 YFT 5/9.
VA2 Lima Bravo Whiskey, VA2 JO 5 and 9. So I could work 3 stations, heard one more.
Number 5/9.
I'm tuning Doppler manually as my radio is analog and I have no. I don't have provision for automatic tuning. Even though I have G-Predict in my computer, radio is not capable of cat control. Now I am 10 kilohertz below the nominal frequency.
Satellite, return upon 3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta. Good evening, Lucky. Your 5/9. Pleasant evening, over.
Yes, sir. 73+530.
Yeah, sir.
U3 LBW, U2 JO 5 and 9.
Yankee Foxtrot Delta, TQIS.
Now the satellite is about to set. You can watch the G-Predict window.
TRM, LBW 5 and 9. LBW, TRM 59. Thank you. Bye.
TQIS, return upon 3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta.
Elevation is only 12 degrees now. There will be a slight lag between the stream, primary and secondary stream. That's network delay. Satellite is about to set. If you see the secondary stream G-Predict window, you can see that satellite is about to set. It's at 8 degrees now. I may not hear anything further because it's almost ready to set here. You can see that. It's near the horizon now. Elevation 7 degrees. Distance 1700 kilometers. The footprint is quite wide, 4,500 kilometers. So it's possible to work DX at this time. But now it is over the Indian Ocean direction. There is nobody to get from there. And altitude is the height of the space station above Earth. It is 424 kilometers. I think I'll stop the stream now because I'm unlikely to hear anybody. Almost everyone has worked each other. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye.